Standard 3rd Mathematics Revision. Let us revise the content. Write the biggest possible 3-digit number and the smallest possible 3-digit number using the given digits. And what are the digits here? The digits are 3, 4, 8. So when we have to write down the biggest number from the given digits, so we will check the biggest number in the given digit is 8, and after that little smaller 4, and in that given digit and the smallest is 3. This is biggest number and the smallest number. Check the smaller number 3, little bigger and the biggest. So in this way you can make biggest number as well as smallest number. Tell the time. Look at this clock. Hour hand and minute hand. Hour hand is near 10 and the minute hand is exactly on 11. So the time is 55 minutes past 9. Tell the time. Check the hour hand. Hour hand is on 1. 1 means 5 minutes. 5 ones are 5. We have for telling the time, when we observe the clock, we have to say the table of 5. So 1, when the minute hand is on 1, so 5 minutes, and the hour hand is pointing towards 4. So the timing is 5 minutes past 4. Observe the figure. The shaded portion is called, look at this figure, and this part is only shaded, so it is called quarter. It is called quarter. Solve the given problem. There are 12 biscuits. Check how many biscuits are there. 12 biscuits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 biscuits in a packet. Equal shares must be given to 3 children. Here 3 children are there. Raju, Sanju, Anita. 3 children are there. Total 12 biscuits. So we have to divide among 3 children. So how it can be? And 12 biscuits are there. Say the table of 3. 3 children means we have to say the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So each child will get 4 biscuits. 4 biscuits. Mark it 4. Next, observe the figure. If there are 4 equal parts, 3 of them are shaded. These 3 of them are shaded. Then the shaded part is called 3/4. Mark it 3/4. Shaded part is called 3/4. Solve the given problem. One carton contains 8 candles. Count how many candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One carton contains 8 candles. How many cartons do we need for packing 24 candles? 8 candles. Say the table of 8 till we get 24. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So here it will be 3. Mark it 3. Multiply 3 t. T means tens. Multiply by 3 tens. 3 3s are 9, and t multiplied by t is equal to 100. So answer will be 900. It will be 900. 9h. 4t multiplied by 2t. 4t multiplied by 2t. 4 2s are 8. T multiplied by t, h. 100. T means 10. 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. 10 tens are 100. Answer is 800. 8h. Half of a 24 meter length of cloth. 24. Half means we have to say the table of 2. Half means it is divided by 2. Say the table of 2 till we get 24. 2 12s are 24. When we divide 24 by 2, the answer will be 12. Here we have to say for finding out the half, we have to say the table of 2. Observe the alphabets. Check these alphabets B and show half part of it. Half means exactly from here it will go. Half part. E, half we have to show. So exactly from here it will go. A, from here it will go like this, half part. O, like this. And in this O you can draw vertical line also, and standing. Vertical line means standing line, and horizontal line also you could make. F we cannot show half part of it. So in this way keep on practicing all the sums and solve the paper. Thank you.